Hello everyone, Snipe Trading here. Today is Tuesday, February 12th. I'm going to be going over my trades for today. I did 2 trades today, total of $149 profit. The first trade I'm going to go over is ARWR. So ARWR, I saw this for continuation yesterday, and I saw this resistance at 1754-ish. And if you go back to the weekly chart, it also peaked out back here in 2014. So I felt that that was the first resistance that it had. So what happened was in the morning, it kind of had a small gap, and then it kind of spiked up, and then I saw it kind of fell to move higher here. It kind of break this high, but pretty low volume, so I started short here with my risk of 1750-ish, and so I started my position there, and then I saw this 1730 break here, and I was on the offer to get some more shares added, and then I took it off when it went below VWAP, just below this last low here, and then I kind of just took it off, and then a few minutes later it kind of cracked red to green, but it ended up recovering and going back to new highs again, and you can see that this area of resistance here was due to the daily resistance. So we will see the next few days if it can break through that. That was a $37 winner. So the next trade I did was COTY. So I'm pretty disappointed in myself, and although I profit from this trade, I'm not really proud of it. I made many mistakes from this trade. So this one had a huge gap from some stake news from a company, and I saw this trend line here. This trend line here was kind of holding, and then this 1089 area, it kind of bottomed 3 times. So the first initial bottom, so the first one I saw was here, it spiked off this trend line, and I shorted this, and then I was anticipating for this to break through the 1089, and it tested again and it held. So when that happens, I should have stopped out here or anywhere here, since they kind of break this trend line and now it's a little bullish. So I ended up not stopping out, and that that took me into a wild ride for the rest of the day, and then it started to uptrend, but I was watching it the whole day. This pretty much took up my whole time, and then I was seeing how it react towards VWAP. So VWAP, it was approaching VWAP, but it didn't really touch it. So I saw that weakness. It kind of broke this trend line. I actually took some position off here for a small loss, just to downsize a little. It kind of popped up, and then I saw this weakness at this 1101 area. So you see there's a lot of support at 1101, 1101, 1101, and then it kind of retest. So then I was trying to see if it can trend the 13 EMA down. So I kind of added my position here, held through it with my risk off 1106 area, and it started to fade off to 1092. So I took half my position here at 1091, and then pretty much at the end of the day, I didn't want to hold it overnight, so pretty much the last 2 minutes I just covered the rest for $112 wins. If this would have a few more minutes, I would see it go down more, but since it closed, it might bounce. So tomorrow we'll see how this performs, since right now you can see there's two gaps. So you have this gap here back in this day, and then now you have today's gap. So tomorrow we'll see if it starts to fade down here or push back up to 1165. Yep, that's all I have for today, and pretty much two lessons to learn. I have to learn to stop out here and not add to position. So I think I reshorted here and here. So I reshorted while it's still trending up, when I should have waited till the backside went to retest. So this is a risky move that, yeah, like I said, I'm not proud of. Yeah, that's all I have for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like.